Hey friends, if you wish to create desktop shortcuts on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So let us say that we need to create desktop shortcuts for this folder. Right click on it and select show more options, and then you can click on create shortcut. Okay, and this shortcut has been made here. But let us say that it was some application. For example, I will delete Chrome from here so that I can show you how to create a shortcut. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar, right click on it and then select open file location. Now you cannot create a shortcut here, so right click on it and then select show more options and then click on create shortcut. It will automatically create it on the desktop itself. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.